Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this walk flower effect. So there's a flower effect on each step of this girl. I'll create this from scratch so you can understand better. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share, and comment, and let's start. So I have this map, this empty map, and I have this walk animation, this cat walk, and I downloaded it from Examiner. And I use the mannequin character from UE5. So this is the animation I have, and I'll just drag it to the viewport on the zero. And this is the animation I have. This is a loop animation, so she is going and she will come back to the same point. Okay. So I want some effect when she is stepping, so there should be some effect on the ground. So for that, I'll open this animation